Let's make this juicy and tender KFC chicken. Add buttermilk, lemon juice, garlic powder, chicken powder, paprika powder, ginger powder, black pepper, salt, garlic paste, and mustard. Mix and marinate for 4 hours. For the coating, make sure both flour and cornstarch are of equal quantity. Add the same spices we added earlier. Whisk well. First, dip the chicken in the flour, then in cold water, then once again in the flour. You can repeat the same process thrice for best results. Fry the chicken on medium flame for around 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Tender and juicy KFC chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy!